Well, the Delphi murder trial is now more than 2 months away, but attorneys for both sides are in court this week for pretrial hearings that could play a big role in the eventual outcome of this case.
Richard Allen is charged with killing Libby German and Abby Williams in 2017. Lauren Kostick is joining us now with a look at some of the key takeaways from court yesterday and looking ahead. Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning, ladies. Well, to start, the testimony was delayed about 75 minutes yesterday because the judge was late. But once things got rolling, the judge heard arguments related to 3 requests made by the defense. The first was to vacate a safekeeping order that would allow Richard Allen to be moved from a maximum security state prison to the Case County Jail, closer to his family and lawyers. Second, a request to compel the state to turn over evidence more quickly. And a third, a motion to dismiss murder charges against Allen. The defense claims the state has withheld or destroyed evidence that could help in his defense. Now, the judge did not decide on any of these requests and said she heard testimony and will rule on the issues at a later time. Also, we did get some interesting testimony from the defense. They were talking about the state overlooked key evidence pointing to another possible suspect. A state police investigator called it weird that another possible suspect had photos and even a tattoo that matched markings at the crime scene. Another investigator testified the possible suspect seemed to have an alibi and there was no evidence placing him at the murder scene. Now, today will be the second day of hearings in Delphi. We have a crew there and we're expecting to learn a lot more, and especially some new testimony as well. So
It seems like we have a lot of ground to cover before getting to October. Thank you, Lauren.